Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M22 and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now we have to find the battery and device care section. So let's tap on it, and here we have to tap on device protection. Right now we have to tap on turn on and scan phone. And right now we have to wait a second because your device is scanning itself and all of the apps if they've got some malware or viruses. So just give it a time and wait. If it will detect any malware or viruses, then it will notify it to you, so you will be able to remove it, or your device will remove it automatically. And as you can see, the scanning is finished and no threats has been found in this device. So actually this is it. This is how to virus scan your Samsung Galaxy M22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.